Happy Saturday morning. I love Saturday. So we've got some beautiful fabrics. They're all 2A stretch. They're all $11.99 today and tomorrow. They're fabulous. Let's look at them. So this first one is a cotton poly. This is like an ITY, but it's got a cotton poly. Is that pretty? It's so pretty. So I had some requests to suggest fabrics, suggest patterns, so I'm going to do so. Because this has this beautiful asymmetric all through it, I would preserve that. And so I decided to go with the POM. A 101 made out of this would be just absolutely lovely. You could make a dress for spring. You could make, the 101 and just lengthen it. But just a solid, don't cut it up. Just leave it like it is and try to cut it as one piece. I think it's gorgeous. So this has stretch in both directions. It's a cotton poly, great drape, beautiful fabric. This next one is 100% cotton. Beautiful piece of fabric. So whenever you have a solid, it's always fun to add a little bit of detail to that. So 222 would be great. It's got a little keyhole neckline. It'd be an adorable little top. Again, you could make a little dress out of it, sleeves or sleeveless, but this has not a lot of stretch. It has stretch, and it has stretch in both directions, but it's not like an ITY, but it's just a beautiful fabric, beautiful color. All right, and then we have, again, great drape. You can see the pattern is really not symmetrical. It's kind of all over the place. So cut it up and put it back together. Something with great drape. I picked 312. Giorgio's top I think would be great with this. It would be just a beautiful way to, and this is such a flattering top for any figure type. 312 is. This is a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions. And again, great piece for $11.99. This piece right here, I just love. This is 100% cotton. I love both sides. So I decided to pick something 95 Brooks top. It's great for spring, just with a casual pair of black slacks, black tank underneath. It would just be lovely. Beautiful piece. Both sides would show. 100% cotton, stretch in both directions. This is a beautiful piece of fabric. And if you do it tight, like something, it's more dressy, but when you do it casual, you can even pair it with white. You can see what a beautiful, just almost like an accessory it would make. All right, and then we did this. This is leopard, and I did 215 out of it. 215. You could do so many out of it. It is has stretch in both directions. It's a cotton poly. Great drape. Current, just current and fresh. So anything you did out of it would be great. I hope I'm not suggesting things that you guys are going, ah! But anyway, this is a cotton poly blend also. It's a light lavender, and it's kind of a thin scuba. I think 923 would be perfect for it. Oh my god, a little cardigan would be so cute. So current, fresh lavender again would be lovely. Again, these are all today and tomorrow, $11.99. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.